Hello viewers, so here is a simple tip to identify the place, the situation, the context where you have to use which and that. So these tips will really help you. So watch my shorts till the end and learn the correct procedure. And welcome to my channel English with Uma Nagarajan. So viewers, this is a trip into grammar tip. Now which or that, already I've done a video on this. Now here, please stop the confusion. So how to avoid the confusion? It's a common grammar confusion solved. Now look at this example. The book that I borrowed was excellent. Now we use that for essential information. Not any book, but that particular book that I borrowed. The particular book that I borrowed. And next one, this book, which is a thriller, is my favorite. Now this book. So here I use which for non-essential extra information. The actual sentence is, this book is my favorite. Instead I give you additional information saying that it is a thriller. Now here's a quick rule to remember it. That essential or restrictive clause, which additional information, and it can be identified through commas. So it belongs to the non-restrictive clause, relative clause. Now look at these examples. The book that I borrowed from the library is missing. So which book? That particular book that I borrowed from the library. The movie that I saw yesterday is a box office hit. Which movie? The one that I saw yesterday. The car that has been parked near my house belongs to my uncle. Which car? The one parked near my house. The mall which I frequently visit is temporarily closed. So the mall is closed. Give you additional information that I frequently visited. Our tour, which was scheduled next week, has been postponed to next December. So we had to go there next week. Our tour has been postponed. That is the main idea. Now look at these. The Birla Planetarium, which is located in Chennai, is a popular spot visited by school children. The Birla Planetarium is a popular spot. Extra information. Now a quick test for you. That or which? Could you get all the three right? Fill in the blanks. The laptop dash I bought last week is not functioning properly. So the laptop, the particular one that I bought. My car, comma, note the commas, dash is blue, needs washing. Which is blue? He wore a shirt. Which particular shirt? That had tiny checks on it. So please feel free to watch my channel for more grammar tips and follow me. Bye for now.